guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today, in this video, I will show you the 5 best offline video players for Android. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. Now, let's move on to know the 5 best offline video players for Android. Player 1, VLC Media Player. VLC Player is one such offline media player apps that is considered as one of the best and must-have applications. It is an open-source, cross-platform video player tool that handles both video and audio files in several formats. It also supports network streaming, including adaptive streaming, and media library organization. The video player window is well designed and capable of playing videos with full screen, with gesture-based controls to increase and decrease the volume and brightness settings. It has support for multitrack audio, subtitles, and also comes with a built-in 5-band equalizer. Features of VLC Media Player. This media player has the compatibility of playing most types of files. Along with that, it supports several codecs that enhance its compatibility. VLC Player has the support of almost every Android version, which states that you would be able to play nearly every kind of media format on any Android device. No matter what kind of media file you are going to use, you would not have to download any advanced plugin or codecs. VLC Player contains all such essential codes inbuilt in it. You would be able to stream online files also, and that too directly with the help of their URL. This is an exceptional feature that most of the premium media players don't even have. It is an extremely convenient and effective offline media player apps that you will ever use in your Android smartphone. Player 2, MXPlayer. MXPlayer is such an offline media player apps that is always trying to provide the best to its users. Hence, they keep on adding new features to their application. With this media player, you would be able to take advantage of the most customizable features with which you can get an enhanced video streaming and music listening experience. Features of MXPlayer. You would be able to take advantage of fantastic playback features such as hardware and software decoding. It also offers support for various media formats that are AVI, FLV, MKV, MOV, and many more. There are very few media players that offer subtitle support, but you would be able to take advantage of this feature with MXPlayer. It offers a great feature of audio boost, with the help of which you would be able to increase the volume of your video or music files above a specific limit. In this case, you would need to change your decoder in the settings, and that's it. You would be able to play network streams. Also, you just need to enter the network URL. Player 3, KMPlayer. KMPlayer is another famous offline video player for Android. The app offers excellent features for a great video watching experience. KMPlayer can play videos in high definition. It also allows you to adjust brightness and create the environment of your movie night according to your mood. You can also create playlists to watch later. The app also supports Chromecast, URL streaming, private server connections, playing music from the cloud, and subtitles. Features of KMPlayer: high-definition video playback, HD, 4K, 8K, UHD, Full HD playback. Color adjustment, change brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, gamma information. Pop-up play, pop-up windows that can be used with other apps. Equalizer, use equalizer for music and video. Speed control, playback speed control function up to 0.254 times. Video and music timer function. You can search music and video you want. You can play any video on web by entering a URL. External storage device support, load external storage device, SD card, USB memory. Player 4, BSPlayer. BSPlayer is such a media player application that offers you some of the excellent hardware decoding features. You would be able to find many more such related features with this application. Some of those features are multi-core hardware decoding, hardware acceleration, DLNA support. Features of the BSPlayer. You would be able to play YouTube videos directly in this offline media player app with the help of their direct links. It also offers you subtitle support with all the music and video files. With BSPlayer you can take advantage of resizable movie windows, with which you can get an extended view. You can even change the resolution of your video files accordingly. Player 5, AllCast. In case you are trying to find such offline media player apps that can play audio and video files along with it, you can stream the content stored on Chromecast, Roku, Apple TV, and various such devices. Then here is AllCast, which is going to help you and provide the best possible media playing services. Although this application for Android is not free, you will get a free trial within which you can decide whether you need to go for the Pro version or not. Features of AllCast. With the help of this offline media player app, you would be able to stream all kinds of video and music-based content from your Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, Google Chromecast and various such devices. Although people think that they can't take advantage of normally stored media files, which is not at all true, as you can view saved files also with the help of this media player. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share this video if you find it helpful.